Infertility today is much more common than most people know. And I think that part of the problem is no one wants to talk about it. Fertility is actually a mirror of our health in general. So the menstrual cycle for women can tell you a lot about your overall health when it's irregular, when there are other gynecological issues in play. For men, sperm is actually a biomarker as well. So sperm testing is not something that is done traditionally in a doctor's office for any reason other than infertility. But it turns out we can actually tell it can indicate cancer, it can indicate other conditions that may not even be obvious. And so really to me, fertility in those two contexts is actually a really important thing to understand about your body. I want to debunk a couple things about egg freezing because I think that a lot of women who go into the experience believe that there's an automatic guaranteed baby at the end of the road. And that's actually not true. Egg freezing is not a guarantee. The reason it's often not a guarantee is the age at which women freeze their eggs. The ideal time to do it is when no one can afford it, and that is when they're in their mid-20s. If you're freezing eggs in your late 30s, you may or may not end up with any viable embryos. So I think that women need to know that yes, it's an amazing technology that is great in many, many cases, and it's changed women's lives. And also, there's a reality there that is uncomfortable to talk about because we all see it as this like women having it all narrative. If there's anything that I've learned becoming a parent, it's you can have it all, but just not at the same time. As someone who struggled with infertility, I actually had 3 total miscarriages. The piece of advice that I would give first and foremost is to take care of your mental health. You feel like you're just in it alone, even if you have a partner, even if you have great medical care, but you're not in it alone. There are many, many, many women and many couples out there who are going through exactly what you are. So I think it's really important, even though it doesn't feel natural, to take a moment and think about yourself. Could be breath work, could be meditation, could be something that lives totally outside of that. Maybe you like walking, maybe you like cooking, maybe you like reading or a bath. I'm a big bath fan as well. So find a thing that helps you feel that you can process what's happening to you. I think the second thing is you should always feel that you are able to work with your provider hand in hand. And if you can't do that, you should probably find someone else.